Hello viewers, welcome to CVR's Maths class. In this video, I have brought you an exciting problem based on the section formula. Not only I will explain by regular method, that is by step, but also I will show you a very shortcut method that will definitely surprise you. Like the previous video, I have shown you shortcut method when the line joining of 2 points divided by x-axis and also by y-axis. The question here is find the ratio in which the line segment joining the 2 points, that is -3 minus 10 and 6 minus 8 divided by the point -1 and 6. Just observe the figure which is drawn on a Cartesian system. I will show you the Cartesian system also, how it appears on Cartesian system. See, the points which are given to you, that is a minus 3, 10. Another point 6 minus 8 is plotted on the graph. And the figure appears like this. A and B, the points are joined. And P is a point on this line segment joining A to B. It is very clearly visible on the graph. And your question here is, what ratio the point P divides line joining of points A to B? That is, you need to find out AP is to PB. So in the figure, I have taken AP as M and PB as N. So you need to find out AP is to PB. Let AP is to PB be M is to N. So what ratio it divides, that will solve by using regular method. All of you know this section formula. When a point P divides the line joining of 2 points in a certain ratio is given by Pxy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. The points which are given to you, A, B, and the point P. So the point P is substituted in place of Pxy, that is -1, 6. And in the formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, and its coordinates values are substituted here. And m and n, m is k, and k is n is equal to 1. Here I have treated m is to n as let it be taken as k is to 1 to make it easier calculation. At the end, k value can be replaced by m by n, because m is to n is equal to k is to 1 means m by n is equal to k. Okay, that k I have taken it as k by 1. So the values are substituted here. mx2, m is k, and x2 is equal to 6. And n is 1 and x1 is equal to -3 by k plus 1, because we don't know the value of m and n also, that is k is to 1, that is k plus 1. And m1 y2, that is m y2, m is k and y2 is equal to -8 plus n is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to 10 by k plus 1. Okay, here we will, in the earlier week, we equated with the coordinate which is having a 0. Either x coordinate is 0 or y coordinate 0. That corresponding elements we have compared. Here, both the elements are not zeros. So you can compare any either x coordinate or y coordinate. Both should give you the same answer, because the point P is on AB. Whether you take x coordinate or y coordinate, it should give you the same answer. So let me first compare the x coordinate here. What are the x coordinates here? X coordinates of both the points, that is in the point P, x coordinate is -1. In the formula, x coordinate is k into 6 plus 1 into -3 by k plus 1. So when you compare this x coordinate, -1 is equal to what? 6k plus -3 divided by k plus 1. So shall I cross multiply it? -1 into k minus k, -1 into 1 -1 is equal to 6k minus 3. Here solve for k. Bring k terms to one side and constant terms to one side. That is -1 plus 3 is equal to 6k plus k. Okay, sir. That is -1 plus 3 gives you what? +2 is equal to 7k. You need the value of k, means divide both sides by 7. 7 and 7. So this 7 and 7 will cancel. K can be written as k by 1 is equal to 2 by 7. K, what did we take K value? M by N or M is to N. M by N is equal to 2 by 7. That implies M is to N is equal to 2 is to 7. Because K is equal to M by N, we considered in the beginning. That means in the figure, the line joining of 2 points, that is A and B, cut by the point P in the ratio of M is to N. What is that M is to N here? A to P is 2 parts and P to B is equal to 7 parts. So AP is to PB is equal to 2 is to 7. So we have compared the X coordinate. And shall we compare Y coordinate also and check whether the ratio 2 is to 1 comes or not? So while comparing the Y coordinate, what are the Y coordinates here? 6 is equal to minus 8 into K minus 8K, 1 into 10, 10, divided by K plus 1. K plus 1, when you cross multiply, it gives you 6K plus 6 is equal to minus 8K plus 10. Like previous condition, bring the like terms to one side, minus 8K, bring it to LHS, it gives you 6K plus 8K is equal to plus 10, plus 6 will become what? Minus 6. So 14K is equal to 10 minus 6 is 4. We need the value of K, means divide both sides by 14. So divides by 14. So 14 and 14 in cancelled. 2 2s are 2 7s are. So here also we got K is equal to 2 by 7. So M by N is equal to K. That K also can be written as K by 1, which is equal to 2 by 7. Therefore, M is to N is equal to 2 is to 7. That means the point P divides AB internally in the ratio of 2 is to 7. Okay. So we have done by regular method. So next we will do it by shortcut method. I have written all the points A, B and the point P. So to find the ratio, just we need this simple formula. M by N, M is to N is M by N is equal to x1 minus x divided by x minus x2. We got all the values x, x1 and x2. Just to substitute and simplify in one line, one line you will get your answer. What is this x1 in the condition? X1 is equal to minus 3. Minus x is equal to what? Minus 1. Minus of minus 1. Divided by or upon x is equal to once again what? Minus 1. Okay. And minus, what is the value of x2? X2 is equal to 6. So that gives you minus 3. Minus of minus gives you plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to what? Minus 2 divided by minus 7. Minus and minus will cancel. Therefore, M is to N is equal to 2 is to 7. For explaining purpose, it took this much time. Otherwise, this ratio 2 is to 7, just we can get in 5 seconds. Orally also you can calculate. So the ratio in which point P divides AB internally in the ratio is internally in the ratio of 2 is to 7. So let us compare by substituting the Y coordinate values. So what are the Y coordinate values here? Y minus Y1. Take these values once again and substitute in place of Y1 minus Y by Y minus Y2, because we are comparing the Y coordinate now. So substitute these values once again in the formula. Okay. So what we have here, Y value. What is your Y1? Y1 in the condition is 10. Okay. Minus Y. Y value is equal to 6. 10 minus 6 upon. What is your Y once again? Y is equal to 6 here. Minus Y2. Y2 is equal to what? Minus 8. So minus of minus 8. Now simplify this. What is the 10 minus 6? 4. And here minus of minus gives you plus 8. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So 2 divides 4 2 times and 2 divides 14 7 times. 2 is to 7. So M is to N is equal to 2 is to 7. This is a very, very shortcut method of finding the ratio in which the line joining of 2 points divided by a particular point. Even this question usually will be asked for 2 marks or 3 marks. Even if it is asked for 3 marks, what you do is after completing the problem, check with the help of this shortcut formula whether what answer you got correct or not. So this will certainly help you to to cross check your answer, that answer whether you got correct or not. If it is a MCQ question, you will be taking less than 10 seconds to solve this problem and to give your answer, so that remaining 2 to 3 minutes time what you take for solving this by regular method will save you to take the remaining time for the coming questions. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this, both the methods, by regular method as well as by shortcut methods. So I have given for all the three problems, line segment joining 2 points by divided by x-axis, and also line joining of 2 points by y-axis, as well as the line joining of 2 points cut by a particular point. For all three types, I have given you the regular method as well as also by shortcut method. So make use of this method and do well in the examination. So that's all from this video. Have a good day.